on this 2010 to 2016 Honda CR-V L4-2. For L, P16E3 is basically the PCM saying it may not be getting the LIN communication it expects from the 12-volt battery sensor side of the charging system. The vehicle may have a warning light, battery, or charging management symptoms, or it may feel completely normal. The possible areas are the battery sensor connections, the PCM side of the circuit, the LIN wire, and the sensor power feed. Start with the basic system checks, and do not skip a quick look for loose terminals at the 12-volt battery sensor and the PCM. First, prove the fault is active. Turn the vehicle to the on mode, clear the DTC with the HDS, wait for 10 seconds and check for pending or confirmed codes again. If P16E3 comes right back, the failure is duplicated and you can move into circuit testing. If it does not come back, treat it as intermittent for now. Check the battery sensor and PCM terminals for poor fit or looseness, and if captured operating data is available, try to reproduce the same conditions instead of guessing. Next, check pending and confirmed codes with the HDS again. If the companion battery sensor communication code is also present, stay on the LIN short-to-ground style path. If it is not present, skip ahead to the fuse and sensor power feed checks. With the vehicle in OFF lock mode, disconnect the 12-volt battery sensor 2P connector. Check continuity from the 12-volt battery sensor 2P connector No. 2 to body ground. If there is continuity, continue isolating the short. Jump the SCS line with the HDS. Wait more than 1 minute and keep watching that continuity while disconnecting PCM connector B, 51P. Then the alternator 1P connector, one at a time. If the continuity goes away when one of those connectors is unplugged, the LIN wire itself is being cleared by that disconnect, so follow that result to the part identified by the test. If continuity never goes away, repair the short in the LIN bat sensor / LIN wire between the 12-volt battery sensor, the alternator, and the PCM at B40. If the first LIN to ground check has no continuity, turn the vehicle OFF lock. Reconnect the 12-volt battery sensor 2P connector and disconnect the alternator 1P connector. Now check continuity from alternator 1P connector No. 1 to body ground. If there is continuity, replace the 12-volt battery sensor. If there is no continuity, jump the SCS line with the HDS. Wait more than 1 minute. Then disconnect the 12-volt battery sensor 2P connector and PCM connector B, 51P. Check continuity between 12-volt battery sensor 2P connector No. 2 and PCM connector B, 51P No. 40. If continuity is good, the LIN wire is okay. Update the PCM if it does not have the latest software, or substitute a known good PCM and recheck. If the code goes away after an update, that completes this path. If the code goes away with the known good PCM installed, replace the original PCM. If there is no continuity in that wire check, repair the open in the LIN bat sensor / LIN wire between the 12-volt battery sensor and PCM B40. When the companion code is not present, go to the power feed side. Turn the vehicle OFF lock and check fuse No. A1410A in the underhood fuse / relay box. If the fuse is not okay, repair the short in the +B horn wire between the 12-volt battery sensor and the No. A1410A fuse and replace the No. A1410A fuse. If the fuse is okay, disconnect the 12-volt battery sensor 2P connector. Turn the vehicle on and measure voltage from 12-volt battery sensor 2P connector No. 1 to body ground. If there is no battery voltage, repair the open in the +B horn wire between the 12-volt battery sensor and the No. A1410A fuse. If battery voltage is present, turn the vehicle OFF lock. Jump the SCS line with the HDS. Wait more than 1 minute, disconnect PCM connector B, 51P, and check continuity from 12-volt battery sensor 2P connector No. 2 to PCM connector B, 51P No. 40. If continuity is present, replace the 12-volt battery sensor. If continuity is not present, repair the open in the LIN, BAT sensor, /LIN wire between the 12-volt battery sensor and PCM-B40. After the repair, keep verification separate from the testing path. Clear the code with the HDS, wait for 10 seconds and confirm P16E3 does not return as pending or confirmed. The main takeaway is to let the code split the path. First prove the fault, then decide whether you are chasing a LIN short, a sensor side issue, a power feed problem, or an open LIN circuit. For more diagnostic training, visit Diagnostics.com.